Hello everyone, I am your Deepak. In this session, I am going to explain you how to double any digit just like a calculator. Okay, so in the previous session, I have explained you how to do subtraction through 4 methods. Kindly go through all the 4 methods and I have already assured you that you will be human calculators. Okay, so with this introduction, let us go further. Okay, let us learn how to double a number. Okay, now in our decimal system we have digits from 0 to 9, right? I have classified these digits into 2 types, that is type 1 and type 2. I will explain you why there is a classification. If you double your 0, answer is 0. If you double your 1, answer is 2. If you double your 2, answer is 4. If you double 3, answer is 6. If you double your 4, answer is 8. Okay, now you observe, even after doubling these digits, the answer what I got is also 1 digit only. Okay, 0 is 1 digit, 2 is also 1 digit, 4 is also 1 digit, 6 is also 1 digit, 8 is also 1 digit. But if you double these digits, you will get 2 digits. 5 double is 10, it is a 2 digit, 6 double is 12, it is also 2 digit, 7 double is 14, it is also 2 digit, 8 double is 16, that is also 2 digit, 9 double is 18, that is also 2 digits. That's why I have classified these digits into 2 types, that is type 1 and type 2. In type 1, 0 to 4 and in type 2, 5 to 9. Hope you have understood why I have made a separate classification. With this concept, I am going to explain you how to double any digits just like a calculator. Okay. Now, kindly observe. I will explain few problems very slow. Once you understand, you can do just like a calculator. See here, what is 3? Here, what is the number? 3. Before doubling 3, you observe the previous number. What is the previous number? I mean next number 4. 4 is less than 5, correct? When a number is less than 5, okay, so just you double this. 3 double is what? 6. 4 double is what? 8. Now you observe, it is 7 and the next number is 6. Okay, it is more than 5. Therefore, 7 you double. 7 if you double, what is the answer? 14. Since it is more than 5, 6 is more than 5. 14 you have to add plus 1 for that. It will become 15. Okay. Now, 6 double is what? 12. Write only the end digit. So, before you double, check what is the next number. Next number, if it is equal to 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the number. Okay, now, please here, 5. What is the next number? 8. 8 is more than 5. Therefore, double 5. 5 double 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 I will write because this is more than 5. 8 double is 16. Write the end digit as it is. Now, similarly here, 1. Next number is not more than 5. More than 5. Therefore, double of 1 is 2. I have to double this one. Next number I will check. It is not more than 5. Therefore, 2 as it is. Double your 2. Answer is 4. Now, see here. I have double this 4. I will check the next number. It is equal to 5. Okay, whenever my next number is equal to 5 or more than 5, what I have to do is double and add 1 to that. Double of 4 is what? 8. Plus 1 I will do. I will write 9. Double of 5 is 10. I will check the next number. It is more than 5. Therefore, plus 1 I will do. 10 plus 1 is 11. Write the end digit only. Double of 6 is 12, right, only end digit. So double of 456 is 912. See how quickly I can do these problems. Okay, further we will go for next set of examples. Now, kindly observe here. Double of 8 is 16. I will observe the next number. It is more than 5. Therefore, 16. I will add plus 1 for that. 17. Double of 9 is 18. The next number is 0. No need to do plus 1. So, end digit of 18 is 8. Right, as it is. 0 double is 0. Now, similarly here. 4 double is 8. Next number is equal to 5. Therefore, double your 4 plus 1. Double of 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Double of 5 is 10, but next digit is more than 5. Therefore, 10 plus 1 is 11. Write the end digit only. Double of 6 is what? 12. Okay, write end digit only. Now, similarly here, double of 5 is 10. Next number is more than 5. Therefore, 10 plus 1 is 11. Double of 6 is 12. My next number is more than 5. Therefore, 12 plus 1 is 13. Write the end digit only. Next, 7. Double of 7 is 14. Next number is more than 5. Therefore, 14 plus 1 is 15. Write the end digit only. Next is 7. Double over 7. 14 and write the end digit only. See, double of this is this much. Next, double of 6 is what? 12. Next number is more than 5. Therefore, plus 1 to divide 12. Answer is 13. Next number is 7. Next, okay. So, double of 7 is 14. Next number is 7 more than 5. Therefore, plus 1. 14 plus 1 is 15. Write the end digit of 15. Next number is 7. If you double it, it will become 14. Next number is more than 5. Therefore, 14 plus 1 is 15. Write 5. Okay. Next number is 8. Double over 8. 16. Write the end digit only. See how quickly I am doubling a numbers. Okay, similarly here, 4 double is 8. Next number is equal to 5. Whenever it is equal to 5 or more than 5, add plus 1 to the answer. Double over 4, 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Double over 5, 10. But next number is more than 5. 10 plus 1, 11. Right, end digits only. Double over 6, answer 12. Okay, end digit is 2. But next number is more than 6, right? More than 5. Therefore, 2 plus 1, 3. This is what? Double over 6, 12. The next number is more than 5. Therefore, 12 plus 1, 13. Write only the end digit. Next number here, 7. Double over 7, 14. Next number is more than 5. Okay. Therefore, 14 plus 1, 15. Write only the end digit. Next, 7. Double over 7. Answer is 14. Write the end digit only. See how quickly I am doubling our numbers. Okay. We'll go for next set of questions. See, this is very easy concept. Double over 5, 10. Next number I check. Therefore, plus 1, 11. Double over 6, 12. Next number is not more than 5. Therefore, end digit only I will write without increasing. 3 double is 6. This is not more than 5. So, 6 as it is. 2 double is 4. This is more than 5, right? 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 double is 12. End digit. So, that's my answer. How quickly I am solving. Okay, go for next problem now. 8 double is 16. Next number is more than 5. Therefore, 17. 9 double is 18. Next number is more than 5. Okay, 18 plus 1 is 19. Write the end digit only. 6 double is 12. Next number is equal to 5. Whenever it is equal to 5 or more than 5, do plus 1. 6 double is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Write the end digit only. 5 double is 10. Okay, next number is not more than 5. Right? Therefore, write the end digit only. Next number is 4 double it. So, that's my answer. Okay, see here now. Double over 4, 8. Next number is equal to 5. Therefore, 8 plus 1 is 9. Next number 5. Double over 5, 10. Next number is more than 5. Plus 1, 11. Write the end digit only. So, 6. Double over 6, 12. Next number is more than 5. Therefore, write 13. Write the end digit, that is 3. 6 double is 12. Okay. And next number is more than 5. Therefore, plus 1. 12 plus 1 is 13. Write the end digit only. Next number is 7. Double over 7, 14. Next number is more than 5. Okay. Therefore, 14 plus 1, 5. 15, okay, write end digit only. 7 double is 14, write the end digit only. See how quickly I am doing. Next, 9 double is 18, okay, plus 1, that is 19. 6, double over 6, 12. Next number I check, therefore I will write 13. Only end digit you have to write. Double over 5, 10, plus 1 I have to do. End digit is 11. 8, double over 8, 16. Next number is not more than 5. Therefore I will write 6 as it is. Next, double over 4, 8. Next number is not more than 5. Therefore 8. Here. 3 double is what? 6. See how quickly and how accurately we are doing our problems. This is how you can do the doubling very quickly, just like a calculator. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask me. My WhatsApp number, I repeat, 9742 33 1968. In this Vedic mathematics, I am going to explain you all the concepts. Already I have explained you how to do addition, how to do subtraction. Here I have explained you how to double a number. Next, I am going to explain you how to multiply any numbers like a calculator. After multiplication, I will explain you how to do squaring, how to do division, how to do cubing, how to find out square roots, how to find out cube roots, and I will explain equation, how to solve the equation. With that set of skills, we can go to numerical aptitude and we shall play the game with the numerical aptitude just like a boss. Thank you.